Welcome to AMIRS Math School. In this video, we are going to learn about application of change of base formula of logarithm. Let's see the change of base formula of logarithm. Suppose we want to change the base of log m base x. Here, this m is the base of this logarithm. We want to change this log m base x to a new base. That is, we want to change this base to the base n. So the formula is log m base x, which is equal to log n base x divided by log n base m. In this formula, we write this x here and this base m here, and we know n is the new base. That is, we want to change the base m to the new base n. This n is the new base of logarithm. With the help of this formula, we change this log m base x to the new base log n base x. Let's see one example of change of base formula. That is log 5 base 10. We want to change this log 5 base 10 to a new base, that is, change the base to 10. In this case, according to the formula, we write log 10 base 10 divided by log 10 base 5. In this formula, we write 10 here and this 5, that is the old base of the logarithm, we write here. And we want to change the base of logarithm to the new base 10. We just write here, that is 10, here 10. When we want to change log 5 base 10 to new base 10, in that case, we will write log 5 base 10 is equal to log 10 base 10 divided by log 10 base 5. Now, let's see the application of the change of base of logarithm formula. If 1 by log 32 base 2 is equal to x, then what is the value of x? The solution of this problem, here the x equal 1 divided by log 32 base 2. In this case, we can write 1 by x equal log 32 base 2. Just taking the reciprocal, we can write this line. Now, apply the base change formula in the right hand side of this equation. That is, 1 by x equal log 2 base 2 divided by log 2 base 32. Here, we just convert this logarithm to the new base 2. According to the formula, we can write log 2 base 2, that is log new base, this 2 divided by log 2 base 32, that is the new base, and here the old base 32. This is our formula. So log 32 base 2, which is equal to log 2 base 2 divided by log 2 base 32. Or we can write 1 divided by log 2 base 2 to the power 5. According to the formula of logarithm, we know log a base a, which is equal to 1. So we can write 2 base 2, which is equal to 1. And we know the 32 is equal to 2 to the power 5. To apply the another formula, we just write this 32 as an exponent of 2. Now we can write 1 by x equal 1 divided by 5, because the value of this term is 5. How? According to this formula, that is log a base a to the power n equal n times log a base a, and we know log a base a equal to 1. That's why the value of this term is equal to n. So in this case, the value of 2 base 2 to the power 5 will be just 5. So from here we can write 1 by x equal 1 by 5 or x equal 5. So this is our solution. That is, the solution of this equation is x equal to 5. Now let's see one alternative solution of this problem. That is, here x equal to 1 divided by log 32 base 2. So apply the formula, that is 1 divided by log a base b equal to log b base a. According to this formula, 1 divided by log a base b, we can write this one as log b base a. Just these two numbers will be interchanged. If we want to apply this formula, in that case, these two numbers will be interchanged, this 32 and this 2. So we can write x equal to log 2 base 32. That is the interchanging these two numbers according to the formula just we see earlier. So we can write x equal to 2 base 2 to the power 5 because we can write this 32 as a 2 to the power 5. Now we can write x equal to 5 according to the formula log a base a to the power n equal to n times log a base a, and we know a base a equal to 1, so the value of this term will be just n. So the value of this term will be just 5. Solution of this equation is x equal to 5. Now let's see another alternative solution, that is alternative solution 2 of this problem. That is here 1 divided by log 32 base 2 is equal to x. Now we can write log 32 base 2 which is equal to 1 by x. Just taking the reciprocal, we can write this line. Now just apply the logarithm and exponential conversion formula, that is log a base x equal to y. In that case we can write a to the power y equal to x. So in this case we can write this 32 power 1 by x which is equal to 2 applying this formula. So let's write it. That is 32 power 1 by x which is equal to 2. Or we can write this 32 as a power of 2, that is 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by x which is equal to 2 to the power 1, because this 32 equal to 2 to the power 5. Now we just apply this formula. This formula is applicable for some condition 2 to the power x equal to 2 to the power y, that implies x equal to y. So here we can write this 2 to the power 5 by x which is equal to 2 to the power 1, or we can write 5 by x which is equal to 1, or x equal to 5. So this is our solution. The solution of this equation is x equal to 5. Now let's see another problem, that is if log 2 square root of 5 base 400 equal to x, then what is the value of x? Solution of this equation, here x equal to log 2 root 5 base 400. So in this case we have to factorize this 400 so that we can write this 400 as a power of this term, that is 2 root over 5. So after factorize 400 we get 4 times 2 and 2 times 5, and we know every number is multiplication of 2 square root of that number. So for 5 we can write square root of 5 times square root of 5. So we can write this 400 as a 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, the multiplying with square root of 5 multiplied 4 times. So we can write this 400 equal to 2 to the power 4 times square root of 5 to the power 4. Substitute the value of 400 equal to 2 root 5 to the power 4. Here we can write this equation as x equal to log 2 root 5 base 2 root 5 to the power 4. Then according to the formula, that is log a base a to the power n which is equal to value n, we can write the solution of this equation is x equal to 4, because the value of this term is equal to 4, because this term and this term are equal. That's why this power will be the value of this logarithm. So the solution of this equation we get here, that is x equal to 4. Now let's see one alternative solution, that is here x equal to log 2 square root of 5 base 400. So after applying the logarithm and exponential conversion formula, we can write 2 root over 5 to the power x which is equal to 400. That is 2 root over 5 to the power x which is equal to 400. Now the factorization of 400 as 2 root over 5 to the power 4. So in the right hand side, if we write this 400 as this 2 root over 5 to the power 4, then the equation will be 2 square root of 5 to the power x which is equal to 2 square root of 5 to the power 4. And now applying the formula, if 2 to the power x equal to 2 to the power y, which imply x equal to y with some condition. So in this case we can write x equal to 4, because these two bases are equal. That's why you can write this exponent also equal. So x equal to 4 is the solution of this equation. Let's see another alternative solution. That is, in this case we just want to find the value of this term using the base change formula. Here x equal to log 2 root over 5 base 400. Now we want to change the base of this logarithm to 10 base. That is, apply the base change formula. We can write x equal to log 10 base 400 divided by log 10 base 2 square root of 5. That is this 400 here and this old base here, and this 10 is the new base. Now using calculator we can easily find the value of x, that is x equal 4. So this is our solution of this equation, that is x equal to 4.